Hi, my name is Jessie Jane Christie and this is my program for performing arithmetic operations in 3D vectors. For this to be achieved, I have declared a structure with a name 3D. So inside the structure, I have declared x, y, z in integer data type at a maximum size 2. Here I declare a structure variable s which holds the x, y, z. And here I declare a function add and subtraction with the data type void, with a return type void, and the arguments is in integer data type. Add is for addition and sub is for subtraction. Inside the main menu, here I used for loop for getting the values of two 3D vectors. And this is the line for getting the values of two 3D vectors. And here I call the function add and this sub. So when the add function is called, these values is passed as an argument to this function definition with the name for with the function name add, and it using this formula it adds two 3D vectors and it displays the values here. And when this function is called, these values are passed as an arguments to this function sub, and using this formula it subtracted the two 3D vectors and it displays the value here. So let's see what is the output. So enter the value first 3D vector, so 2, 5, 7. The next 3D vector we have to type. So for that I give 3, 5, some 8. So it shows the sum of two 3D vectors and the difference of two 3D vectors. The sum and the difference. So this is my program for performing arithmetic operations in 3D vectors. This has a great scope in mathematical field. In mathematical field, we have a separate concept as vector. So in that particular concept, we have a great scope of this program. We can able to add the two vectors and subtract the two vectors using this program. So this is very much useful in mathematical field, particularly in vector concept. Then this is my program. Thank you for watching this video.